How to transfer funds between Gemini wallets. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the transfer or deposit or withdraw option in the bottom menu to access the wallet features. Now select the withdraw option if you want to send crypto from your Gemini wallet to another Gemini wallet or external wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Then select Crypto Transfer and enter the wallet address of the other Gemini account. Make sure the address is correct to avoid loss of funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review the network fees if any. Some Gemini to Gemini transfers may even be free depending on the asset. Double check all details, then tap Confirm or Withdraw to complete the transfer. If you are receiving funds from another Gemini user, go to Deposit, choose the crypto, and copy your wallet address or use the QR code to share with the sender. You can track the status of your transfer in the Activity tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will find pending, completed, and failed transfers in one place. Now you know how to transfer funds between Gemini wallets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.